I want to share a wild experience that happened to me at a marine park. Picture this. I'm sitting in the stands, surrounded by families and excited kids, all eagerly waiting for the Dolphin show to begin. The atmosphere is electric, everyone buzzing with anticipation. Dolphins are known for their intelligent, playful nature, and I've always been fascinated by them. As the show kicks off, trainers enter the water, and the dolphins leap gracefully, performing tricks that leave the audience in awe. Suddenly, something unexpected happens. One of the dolphins, let's call her Luna, seems to get a bit too playful. She swims close to the edge of the pool, and in a split second she launches herself out of the water, splashing everyone in the front row. Laughter erupts, and I can't help but chuckle along with the crowd. But then, things take a turn. Luna, still in a playful mood, starts to swim around in circles, and it looks like she's trying to engage with the audience. The trainers are trying to maintain control. Luna has her own agenda. She swims right up to the edge of the pool, and before anyone realizes what's happening, she leaps out again, this time landing on the edge of the pool and startling a few people. I can see the trainers getting a bit anxious, trying to coax her back into the water. The crowd is a mix of laughter and gasps, and I'm sitting there, half amused and half worried. It's like watching a live-action comedy unfold right before my eyes. Luna finally splashes back into the water, but not without causing a bit of chaos. A few people in the front row are drenched, and instead of being upset, they're laughing and taking selfies with their soaked clothes. It's a moment that turns into a shared experience, a story they'll tell for years. Everyone in the show front continues. I can't help but think about the intelligence, and I can't help but chuckle along with the crowd. Dolphins are known to have complex social structures and communication skills. They can recognize themselves in mirrors and even understand symbolic language. Watching Luna's antics, it's clear she's not just performing. She's engaging with us, making us part of her world. By the end of the show, I'm left with a sense of wonder. It's incredible how a simple dolphin show can turn into a memorable event filled with laughter and unexpected moments. I walk away thinking about the bond between humans and animals, and how experiences like this remind us of the joy and unpredictability of nature. In just 10 minutes, Luna transformed a typical day at the marine park into an unforgettable adventure, reminding us all to embrace the unexpected.